They reiterated their long-term goals and talked about their consumer direct offense strategy and where their growth was going to be coming from, digital, international. And yeah, they talked about the decision to use Colin and stood by it. They talked about Nike always sort of standing on the side of social issues. They talked about some of the workplace issues that they had earlier in the year. But overall, I think it was an upbeat meeting, and they really reiterated that the things that they're doing resulted in the improvement in their North American business in the last quarter, and it sort of sounded like that was going to continue.
How long does the impact of something like this typically last? Yes, this is a perhaps slightly more high profile and political endorsement, but when a successful ad campaign comes out in the past for a sports brand like this, does it usually impact them for a month, for a year, for 5 years?
I think the significant uptick in business will be short-lived, but I do think that Nike has always stood at the intersection of culture and sport, and they called out in their meeting today social issues. And so if you think about that positioning and their corporate culture and what they want to stand for as a company, I think it has a long tail and really keeps them relevant, and particularly with millennials who care about social issues.
Question for investors, is that all already in the stock? It's up almost 40% this year, best performer in the Dow. No, Under Armour is also up almost 40% this year. So where's the value in the space?
Yeah, I mean, Nike is really delivering. They're driving growth. They've turned around their North American business. They have so much growth internationally. They highlighted at the meeting today that they have a $10 billion sportswear business. Think about that. I mean, with Gap's announcement today, they are looking at Athleta hopefully being $1 billion in a couple years. And so that's just Nike's athletic apparel business. I mean, it's a phenomenal company. It's a global company, and they're growing.